Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sweet Dreams on drums, only way. Start by setting a steady metronome and count 4-bar phrases to lock the tempo, then play a simple kick on 1 and 3 with snare on 2 and 4. Keep the hi-hat in eighths, slightly accented on the downbeats, and listen for the vocal phrasing to shape fills and dynamics throughout the arrangement. To shape the song, keep the hi-hat in steady eighths and open it a touch on chorus hits for brightness, while using ghost notes on the snare to add subtle groove. Bring the volume down for verses and play more aggressively in choruses, letting cymbals bloom where needed. Practice transitions slowly, then speed up to performance tempo so the dynamics feel natural and supportive of the vocal line. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's great for practice tracks and wireless playback during sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support, and now, let's get back to the video. Work on compact fills that serve the song, starting with eighth note patterns around the toms and snare. Increase complexity gradually when approaching a chorus or bridge, using accents to build momentum without overpowering the track. Always resolve fills back on the downbeat so the band stays locked, and practice different fill lengths to fit 1, 2, or 4-bar transitions for confident performance in any arrangement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.